Imagine turning a silent letter into a sweet, quick ooh sound. Let's make it happen. Welcome back, dear reader. Let's add a new flavor to your pronunciation. Damma is a tiny shape like a small wing above a letter. It tells you to say the short U sound. Think of the word book, but only the first beat, swift, bright, and short. When you see dam, the D will become do. It does not change the letter's identity, only how you voice it. The shape sits above the base of the letter, not touching it. If a letter has a Damma, you add the sound immediately after the letter. The vowel is carried by the letter, not by a separate symbol. This is how you pronounce words in many verses. Notice that the Damma does not change the meaning if you misplace it. It simply signals the correct sound. Use it to guide your mouth as if it were a small musical note, quick and clear. Listen carefully. 1. Bu means bu, as in the word for sun. 2, tu is pronounced tu, as in tune. 3, ku sounds like aq, as in kuf. 4, ru is ru, a sound that appears in many names. 5, do is do, a rare but beautiful letter. Repeat them softly after me. Bu, tu, ku, ru, do. Now we try together. 1, bu, bu. 2, tu, tu. 3, ku, ku. 4, ru, ru. 5, do. 6, su, su. Say it gently with a quick oo sound. Feel the rhythm grow steady. You learned how Damma turns a silent letter into a bright short oo. The shape sits above, quick, clear. Keep practicing, and you'll hear it in verses easily. Next time, we'll explore sukoon, the silent mark that lets a letter rest.